Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you all are good. Yes, and in this video, I am talking about how you can improve your English. Okay, if you are thinking that I want to learn this language and I want to enhance my communication skills, but you really don't know that how you can do this. So watch this video till the end and you will get the knowledge and information and you will break the ice. Okay, if you watch this video. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start. So friends, as I mentioned you that today I will tell you that how you can improve your English. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to think in your mind that why you want to learn this language and what is the importance of English in our life. What is the importance? Yes, if you know the importance of English nowadays, so you will learn this language at any cost, and you will do if you do effort, so you will see the drastic change on you. Okay, so firstly I am going to tell you that, as you know, that English is very important for us, and nowadays English has become a global language, and it is desperately needed to all of you. That is why you have to learn this language. Okay, because as you know, if you want to do a good job and you want to get good salary also, so it is a compulsion to us to learn this language. Yes, so tell me guys, what are the main components for any kind of language? What are, if you don't know, so I will tell you, but and I'm sure most of the people they knows well that four components are very important for any kind of languages, right? Not only English. If you are learning Hindi, Tamil, Punjabi or Bangla, anything, anything if you are learning, so four things are very important. Yes, I already spoke about four components, but again I am sharing with you. Okay, so for number one is listening. Yes, you know very well and you are aware about it. Listening, yes, first step is listening. Okay, if you do listening part every day, so your mind will open and your you will become familiar with this language. Yes, and four components are important, but listening is the first steps which you can follow. Okay, because for listening there is no need to speak, there is no need to write, there is no need to reading. Only what you can do, you have a smartphone, you just watch any English content, or you can watch stand-up comedies, you can watch movies, serials or broadcasts or anything, whatever you like, according to you, and it is totally up to you what kind of videos you want to watch. Okay, so you can listen anything, you can also listen songs. Okay, or speeches, it is also important, speeches you can listen. Okay, now a second component is reading. Yes, reading is also important. Okay, if you have no any phone, and if you want to enhance your reading part as well, so you just take little stories books. Okay, like Panchtantra stories are very famous in our society or India's, so you can read those stories. Okay, moral stories are very good. Okay, so I know that nowadays everyone have a smartphone. If they have books, it is good, but if they have no any book, so they can watch stories on mobile phone. Okay, and they can read also. Okay, so second thing is reading. Third component what you can use, speaking. Yes, speaking is must, listening is must, and speaking part is also must. If you really want to improve your English and you want to enhance your communication skills, you want to build up your confidence as well, so you have to do lots of practice of speaking. Yes. Okay, so speak whatever you have words in your mind, and whatever you have listened in videos, or you can anything speak in English. You can sing a song in English. Okay, so try to speak by yourself. Yes, once when you start your English journey, so in the beginning time, this will become hectic for you, and you feel like how boring it is. But if you have a mindset that I have I want to learn this language at any cost, and somehow I want to learn this language, if I have so many foundation, if I have no money, I have no time. Okay, so please don't say to yourself like this. Okay, if you make like lame excuses by yourselves, you will never achieve your goal, you will never speak in English. Okay, because if you think that I will become fluent speaker within 1 month or 3 month. Okay, so it is not good. Okay, I know more lots of persons who are learning this language like more than the 1 year, 3 years, or 10 years. It is a learning process. You can learn everything if you have catching power, but it takes time, it is a long process. Okay, so we can't achieve anything very fastly or easily. So we should take patience, so we can learn this language. Okay, so do practice of your speaking. Okay, now fourth component is writing. Yes, writing is also an important part of English journey or any kind of languages. So whatever you want to speak, if you have when we write down anything, when we do writing, so we have time to think, like we can think, after that we can write on notebook, right? But when we speak, we have no any time. Okay, so we should try to speak, and we should try to write also, because if you write up anything, you can write your daily routine, it is the best thing. Okay, you can write what have you done yesterday, you can write what you do, what you will do tomorrow, and what are you doing like present time, what are you doing, you can mention everything deeply, you can say. Okay, so it is also good for you. And your if you do writing part, okay, so your spellings mistakes will improve. Yes, because some of the person they have a problem of spelling mistakes. So write you know one page, at least one page you can write, or you can write a story as well. Okay, to improve your past tense. Okay, so now these are the four components, these are major components, so you can work on it, and you will become fluent one day definitely. Because if you do this with continuity and with consistency, so definitely nobody is here to stop you, guys. Yes, only you can do efforts by yourself, you can get your knowledge by yourself. Because whatever we achieve, whatever we achieve, so like knowledge is the best policy for everyone. Yes, if we have money, someone can steal our money, right? If we have property, also property can go away, right? If we have so many luxurious life, it is also can go. Yes, but your knowledge, your education, your etiquettes can't go. Yes, can't go, guys. Yes, so try to build up your inner personality. Okay, try to build up your inner personality as well as outer personalities. Okay, so this thing will go with your long time. Okay, so in the end, I want to share one thing more, that uh, reading, writing, listening, and speaking, these are important, but you have to learn vocabulary words. Yes, because without vocabularies you can't learn this language. Okay, so try to learn vocabularies more and more, at least 5, or you can say three, every day, three vocabulary you have to learn. And almost try to recall those vocabularies in your daily life, and try to use that vocabulary in your daily conversation. Okay, and if in the end I would like to share with you that if you are able to speak in front of anybody, so make your own friends. Yes, like as you know, like social media platform is a big platform for us nowadays. So many strangers, they are talking with each other, and they become like friends, and they are sharing their culture, their knowledge, their everything they are sharing with each other. So you can also use those kind of platform, and try to speak. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and please uh, do efforts, do hard work, and one day, definitely one day, you will get your goal. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe the channel for more videos. Okay, so bye bye.